Hi, this is Annie for Signal by Sony, and today we are joined by Hans from Sony. Thank you for joining us, and I understand that you have some new stuff to show us.
Yeah, what we have right here is the summer's new VAIO line, which is the Fit.
Very cool. So you want to tell us a little bit about the meaning of the name Fit? It's kind of a departure from the way you have named products in the past.
Yeah, VAIO's moving away from the E-Series, T-Series kind of naming and actually choosing something that makes sense with how people are going to use the product. In this case, it's fit for everybody.
All right, nice and succinct. I like that. So let's get the specs out of the way first. What's the processing power on these?
Processing options going to range from Core i3 to Core i7.
Okay, and of course these are Windows 8, right?
Yes, Windows 8.
Touchscreen?
Yes, touchscreen is going to be a big focus. Almost all the models will be touch.
And these come in a few different screen sizes, right?
14-inch here, and then the 15-inch that you see over there.
Are the screen resolutions the same size?
Yeah, Sony's going big on resolution for summer. We're not going to offer 1366 by 768. These will be, the lowest res we have is 1600 by 900. Everything else will be 1920 by 1080.
So how about the audio?
Audio, as you know, audio has a big history for Sony. We really wanted to improve it on these models. In the case of Fit E, we've actually included a subwoofer for the first time, along with big box speakers. And on all of these Fit models, we've included Clear Audio Plus, which is software that really improves the audio, the sound, the surround sound feeling you get when you're listening to music on this.
And real quickly, what kind of ports are we working with here?
Ports, we have the optical drive on the side, very nice, clean finish. We also have USB 3.0 with charging, another USB 2.0, Ethernet, power port, and SD card slot. And this all goes to a real clean image. You can see the edges are real smooth, the top nice diamond cut logo, and even the lid itself is a solid piece of aluminum that bends over the edge to really give you that nice clean feeling too.
Now let's talk about graphics on these.
Graphics, we've shifted to NVIDIA graphics for summer. These are going to have 1 and 2 gig variants.
And how about the range of hard drive options on these? What can people expect?
Hard drives, conventional hard drives from 500 to 1 terabyte on the Fit E, and then 500 to 1 terabyte with hybrid standard.
And I'm sure people are wondering what kind of memory they have too.
Memory will range from 4 gigs to 12 gigabytes.
Very cool. Now, I was looking at this one here and I couldn't help but notice the NFC logo. I had a chance to try out some of the near-field communication at CES this year and was very impressed. How does that factor into these devices?
Sony as a whole is going really big into NFC, and that's something we've put across all new summer models for VAIO.
All right, now as I can see, these come in a lot of different colors. What other colors might they come in?
Well, the pink, the silver, the black you see here, but we'll also have a pink in the Fit E that's not shown.
All right, very nice. I can match with my shirt.
Exactly.
Now, I know in the past that VAIOs have come with the full versions of some software. Is that true in this case too?
Absolutely. Not only do all of the touch models that we offer in summer include Art Rate Studio, but it also includes Sony Imagination Suite on these Fit models. That includes like Sony Movie Studio, Acid, and SoundForge, all full versions on all these.
All right, that's a nice value add there. Now, finally, let's talk pricing.
Pricing?
What are the pricing?
These models will start at $549, and this model will start at $649.
Okay, and when will these be available?
These should be available, all of them, in late May.
All right, looks like another exciting new line from Sony this year. Thank you for joining us to talk about it. And remember, for all this and more, check out the Signal by Sony channel on YouTube.